Hello everyone, this is Dan from Thomas WordPress Support. In this one I'm going to go through the page overrides for Uptime in WordPress. So what I mean by this is there are certain things such as the logo, the header style, footer style and even the colours which you can change on a per page basis. Now if we look at the theme options, just enter the customize area here. You can see our standard logo, so the default logo for pages, unless overridden, is the dark one, but we've actually got that overridden here. And also things like the footer layout, which you can set in the theme options, can be altered. So if you want to set one for the global pages, so for all pages, you can do. And then if you want to override that for a certain select other pages, that's no problem, you can override it. Now the way this works is fairly simple. If I just open the home page here. If we edit the page, what you'll find in the edit screen, if you scroll all the way down, is this section here. So this is where we've overridden the logo for this particular page, and that's to go with the header, which we've also overridden. So by default the header would be white with a dark logo, but we don't want that here, we've changed that. You can also do the same with the footer and things like the colours as well. Now these will be by default the ones you set in the theme options just here, but again if you want to override these, this is the place to do so. Now we also go as far as to let you control things like the post archives. So what I mean by this is things like the documentation area here. Now this has its own archive area, much like a blog or a search result, where WordPress shows all of your documentation, and to get to that you would simply go to your website /documentation. Now again in the theme options you can see we've got the default logo set to be dark and we've got the header set to be white. We've overridden that here. Now although this isn't a page you can edit, so you'll notice there's no edit button, this is because WordPress controls these kind of pages, you'll find an option in the theme options area here. So we go to documentation archive view, and that's where we can specify the header layout as well as logo, which we've done here. And that's true for several other post types as well, so if you want to customize what this looks like on the archive page, you can do so here with ease. And that's basically it for this one. If you do have any questions, do come see me over at support. Other than that, I hope this has been useful, and thanks for watching.